application of switch case as condition. Right. Now, switch case has got quite a few things to think on when we have to plan it. So, let us begin. The question goes, a student would get a rank of different status depending on the number of subjects he or she scored distinction marks. Now, distinction scored in number of subjects and the rank of status, they are dependent. So, what will be the status of the rank? That will come from how many subjects the student scored distinction marks. If 5 subjects, then the rank would be excellent. 4 subjects outstanding, 3 subjects brilliant, 2 subjects bright, 1 subject vivid, and if none of the subjects, then also it is good enough. We don't want to say that only scoring very high is going to be considered. No subject distinction is also good enough. So let us see. Input the number of subjects in which a student scored distinction marks and print his or her rank status accordingly. Print invalid input for any other value. So apply switch case. Now apply switch case. In this case, we have got one number to be compared with one of the values of the distinction. Now how many subjects the person scored distinction in, that would be the input. In switch case, only equality cases can be compared. Greater than, less than, or addition, subtraction, those things cannot be done. That is why, let us look into the program now. This is my condition program, program number 7, right? So, here comes the program which will explain switch case. Yes. So, here to start with, I'll show you what the input is. Question number 7 is based on rank. Now, enter the number of subjects in which the student has scored distinction marks. Whatever is the number of subjects, put that in switch case. Note that S should be in small letter and N is kept inside brackets. Then the bracket begins, the second bracket, then case. If case is 5, then print excellent, and the break will stop any more comparison to take place. The break here will take the control out of the switch block. The switch block is ending here. This is the closing bracket of switch. Therefore, outside the switch block is the statement. Switch case statement is over. So, let me show you the program execution. Here I come to the program end of BlueJ, and then I click on new object. Then the new object's name is Q7 rank 1. That is getting created here. I click on it and I right click and I click on the main. What is going to appear? See, the output has come in this window. So let me put the window in size that I will like, because my statement is long. Enter the number of subjects in which the student has scored distinction marks, right? This is the output statement. So now I have to enter how many subjects. So let me choose, okay, all 5 subjects, right? Then, excellent has come because the output statement under section 5, case 5 was excellent, and after it, the switch case statement over statement is coming because this portion is out of the switch block. If I go back and if I look into the program, you see the syntax is in front of you. If I run the program once again, by going to the project window, right clicking on the object and clicking on main, and then my output window is supposed to come. Here it comes. Enter the number of subjects. I should have cleared the screen. I'm going to clear the screen now. If I press enter, 3. With 3, what do you think will happen? See, the value in N has come as 3. 3 will get compared with 5, which will not become true. Therefore, it will not go in only. So, it will come to the next, which is 4. It will not go in only because 4 is not equal to 3. Then it comes to 3. At 3, the moment it gets a match, yes, it then goes in. After going in, it does the work of whatever statements are there, and the break takes it out from here as the mouse goes. Check the path, and it is coming out, and then more out, and then out of the block, and then here. Got it? So when I will press enter, see what is going to happen. Oh, what has happened? Let me show the output here. So the case has come as brilliant. You see, case 3 is brilliant. I'll click on clear screen at method call, and then I'll click on clear screen also, and then I will come to the object window, and then I will run the main once again. What will I see? Enter the number of subjects in which the student has scored distinction marks. This time if I enter 1 and press enter, check, output has come as vivid. Vivid because when the case was 1, then the remark was supposed to be vivid. I will run it once again for you because I know you will like seeing it for 0. If the 0 is the number of subjects I have scored distinction marks, then I still get a good, right? Now, switch case statement is over, has come because, and if I enter something other than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is also supposed to be seen. Don't you think that should be seen too? I think so. So I click on this and let me enter 10 subjects. The 10 subjects are not only there. So let me see what will happen. Invalid input. Got it? I run it once again. This time if I run it with minus 7 and press enter, again invalid. If I enter with minus 1, this is the last chance, okay? This is the last time I'm going to run this program with an invalid value and I press enter. You see, again it is saying invalid input. Okay?